Hello viewers, welcome back to Harshni's View. Today I'm going to tell you top 4 exercise benefits you must know. Nowadays you must have seen that many people are dying due to heart attack disease. Do you know why this is happening? All this is result of a lack of physical exercise. All day while sitting, we just keep on eating such things which can hardly be digested by exercising. So think about what will happen to you by eating such things for a long time without exercising. The fat in your body and blood vessels will increase, and one day you may also become a victim of a heart attack. Exercising is not just about making muscles, it makes you completely healthy. Instead, it makes you healthy from inside too. In this post, I will tell you 4 such big health benefits of exercising. Knowing about which may make your thinking seriously towards exercise. You too will definitely think about adopting it. So, let us know what are the benefits of exercising. The first one is exercise should keep you always happy. We all know what if the mood is not right, then we would like to do anything, due to which it's become very difficult to get success in any field. This is where you get the biggest benefit of exercising. Exercise works to reduce your stress. It is absolutely true that if you exercise 40 minutes a day, even 3 or 4 days a week, then it increases the level of good hormones in your brain. Due to this, your brain always start to be calm and happy. Exercise is the best medicine to reduce stress. The second one is exercise should give you good sleep. You always will definitely agree that most of the new diseases going on nowadays are due to poor sleep. If you will not able to sleep well, then first you will be mentally ill and then physically. So you only cut the root of disease by means start exercise. Exercising regularly helps you sleep better. If the fatigue of your mind will be removed, then you will automatically start feeling completely healthy. Instead of relying on medicines for good sleep, resort to exercise. The third one is exercise helps in weight loss. Obesity is the root of many diseases. The more fat a man has, the more health problems he will have. By exercising for a while every morning, you can gradually control your weight. There are many benefits of being underweight, like you will look fit, clothes will look good, and disease will surround you less. Many people also resort to medicines to lose weight, which is wrong. Why mess with your body when you have a natural way of exercising? The last one is exercise increase your energy. You must have seen many such people who just keep yawning all the time. In other words, those people are the house of laziness. In fact, it is not even their fault in this. In the absence of exercise, their energy level drops so much that they do not feel like doing anything. In such a situation, they run towards energy enhancing capsules, which is the waste of money. It is absolutely 100% true that you can raise your energy level very high by exercising regularly. Yes, it does take some time, but exercise does so in a very natural way that lasts for a long time. If you like this information, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Always stay connected with Harshni's View. Stay safe and stay home. See you. Bye bye. Tata.